Renewable energy sources are important for ensuring our long-term energy security through sustainability. Such sources are important for reducing our greenhouse gas emissions, which science notes can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and combat the detrimental effects of global warming. Interface is a resolute partner to the energy sector, providing solutions that help develop and deliver both renewable and clean energy. The opportunity to help enable renewable energy solutions is something that Interface has a committed interest in. And these innovators turn to us because of our proven capabilities in the energy industry, as well as our product's ability to deliver industry-leading accuracy and reliability. Interface is a core test and measurement solutions partner to some of the largest energy production and equipment manufacturers in the world. We continue to provide sensor devices and instrumentation, including custom-designed OEM solutions, for a range of energy applications used above ground, below ground and at sea. The advancement in renewables utilizing our force measurement solutions enables us to tap into the Earth's natural resources while preserving them for future generations. Currently, the top renewable energy sources in the world in terms of their current global installed capacity are hydropower, wind, solar and biomass. This shift towards renewables reverberates across diverse industries, evident in the widespread adoption of electric vehicles and consumer products powered by the elements. As the world increasingly embraces renewables, we take significant steps toward building a more resilient and environmentally responsible energy landscape. At Interface, we are committed to supporting this sustainable journey and contributing to a brighter, cleaner future for all of Earth's inhabitants.